Good afternoon. For over 30 years, Orlando Avendaño has suffered from essential tremors in one of his hands, affecting every single aspect of his life. However, an ultrasound procedure on his brain that lasted only a couple of hours has restored the freedom that these tremors had taken away from him. Orlando Avendaño, a 72-year-old man, has lived with essential tremor for the past 30 years. This condition is part of the group of movement disorders where his hand trembles uncontrollably whenever he performs fine motor tasks.
The food fell out of, I cannot eat with fork. I cannot use a fork. I try to use a big spoon because, I don't want people to see me.
Accompanied by his wife of nearly 21 years, they share how this condition has affected their lives.
A raíz de los nervios.
Because of his nerves, he hasn't been able to eat properly, and we've turned down many social and family invitations. We've avoided visiting people because he feels embarrassed. But this situation is about to change, thanks to an Israeli-developed technology that uses ultrasound inside an MRI machine.
The MRI basically focuses the ultrasound down onto a point, and if you look at it, it's like a magnifying glass. And so we're focusing it down on a spot within the brain that contributes towards responsible for part of the tremor, and by doing that we can knock the tremor out.
Without the need for surgery or anesthesia, early in the morning the patient was prepared for the procedure. He was taken into the MRI room and placed inside the machine. Using cutting-edge technology, over the course of a few hours, Dr. Zucker and his team precisely targeted the affected area of the brain with ultrasound, creating a small lesion designed to eliminate the tremors. And it worked. At the end of the procedure, fully covered by Medicare, Orlando, fully conscious, couldn't believe it.
My God, it's unbelievable.
He was taken to his wife, who, through tears of joy, thanked everyone for what they had done.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This is my magic trick. It's probably the most wonderful thing. I've been doing it for years, and as you can see as I start to smile, you can't take this away. When you see the patients and the families and what it does for them, he'll go home and he's going to sit there tonight at dinner, and all those things he couldn't do, he's going to be doing. How do you put an adjective on that one? You can't.
Just as he arrived this morning, Orlando went home a few hours later without a tremor in his hand. Delray Medical Center is one of the 79 centers in the country where this procedure is done. For more information, you can go to our webpage, NBCmiami.com. From Delray Beach, I'm Adrian Criscott, NBC6 News.